Hey guys, good evening. So am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today agenda mainly two items. One is Wireshark. Second one is couple of inter questions shared by Patan as well as Madhav. Those two things we can discuss. First, we can going to discuss about Wireshark. So Wireshark, as I said, for network traffic analyzer. If you want to do analysis, mainly it is a troubleshooting session. So if you want to analyze any network traffic, in that scenario, we will use this particular network traffic analyzer that is nothing but Wireshark. Most of the cases, this one will be used by implementation team. Okay, so why implementation team they will use? Example, log sources logs they integrated to SIM tool. In that scenario, logs are not reflecting in the SIM tool. So in that particular scenario, what they will do, so they will do the packet capture and then they will go and they will analyze the traffic. So what is the issue behind the, so logs are not reflecting in the SIM tool, right? So here, most of the cases, implementation team, that is one team, normally they will do the packet analysis. Second one is NOC team, Network Operation Center, you know already. So they will take care of the network monitoring. Second one is server monitoring. Third one is application monitoring. So maybe 1 week back, I given one of the example as well. Facebook is lost around $6 billion in March month time period because due to network outage. In that particular incident, they will do the network traffic analyzer or network traffic analysis. Okay. So for network traffic analysis, normally it will analyze the TCP IP layer approach. Okay. So TCP IP layer contains mainly 4 layers. That is nothing but application layer. Second one is the transport layer. Third one is internet layer, that is also called as a network layer. Fourth one is network interface layer. So these are all the 4 layers. So whatever OS layer 7 we have, that one is reduced to 4 layers of the TCP IP. It's entire question also. How many TCP IP layers are there? Most of the people, they will give answer as a 7, but that is wrong. So TCP IP layers we have only 4. One is application session plus presentation is converted into single application layer. Transport is transport only. Network is nothing but internet layer. And data link plus physical layer is nothing but network interface layer. Okay. Whenever you are analyzing the packet capture, it will do the TCP IP layer analysis. Where is the exact issue? Whether it is, give me 1 second. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So where is the exact issue? Whether it is in the application layer, so whether maybe HTTP or HTTPS traffic, or maybe DNS record is issue, or maybe SSL or TLS issues. So what is the exact issue on the application layer? In the transport layer, whether in between client and server, or in between peer-to-peer communication, whether packet is retransmissioning or packet is a dropping or packet is a reset, as well as a TCP three-way handshake is completing or not. That is the analysis we will do under the transport layer. In the network layer, whatever routing we are doing, IP packet. So IP packet, whether ping is happening or not, ICMP is pinging or not using ping command, and also what is the time to live, and also what is the header length, and what is the bit size, and what are the flags using as per IP packet. And also even in the TCP layer also, it will analyze the TCP flags, whatever we discussed around 6. And finally, in the network interface layer, it will analyze the so decimal code as well as a binary code or hexadecimal code, that conversion basically. Okay, so even it will analyze the ARP tables as well as MAC layers and so on. Practical, I will show, don't worry. So that is about overall agenda. So as I said, so most of the cases, this Wireshark tool will be used by, one is NOC team, Network Operations Center team. They used to identify where is the exact issue, whether in between source to destination, is there any half duplex or full duplex packet is dropping, whether routing is configured correctly or not. In the application layer also, whether application is correctly responding or not. Is there any errors are they related to 404 or 504 or 502 or 401 and 402 HTTP related authentication codes in the IP, I mean network layer basically. In the network layer, as I said, IP routing is configured correctly or not, and IP packet is dropping or packet is retransmissioning or packet is resetting. So those are the things in the network layer. Finally, in the network interface layer, so ARP tables, RARP tables, MAC related issues, and physical cable connection related issues, and also whatever binary code is there, that one is connecting to decoding or compressing or encrypting, all those analysis we will do. Okay, coming back here. So on the security side, okay, NOC team, they will go and they will analyze whenever any issue will come on the network or application or server side. Coming back on the security side or SOC operation team, when they will use this particular Wireshark tool. So as I said, most of the case implementation level, whenever we are integrating logs to SIM tool, in that scenario, if those logs are not reflecting in the SIM tool, so we have to go and we have to take the TCP dump, or maybe we have to take the packet capture and we have to analyze. Okay. So these are all the two scenarios. Most of the cases we'll use a Wireshark. So otherwise, instant investigation side, we will not use it that much regularly. Okay. So far, do you have any queries? So far, do you have any queries on the Wireshark tool? It is a network traffic analyzer. So for packet capture analysis purpose, as well as network traffic analyzing purpose, we will use the Wireshark tool. As I said, so most of the cases from cybersecurity SOC operation side, implementation team they will use. So second team is a network team or network engineer team or NOC team. Okay, so that is about introduction part. Coming back, what you have to do. So you can go to Google and just you can type Wireshark download. Okay, so you can see here Wireshark. Please don't go to Trojan websites. Always you can go to legitimate website. When I say legitimate website, so nothing but genuine website we have to take. How can you identify that it is genuine or not? So based on the organization itself, wireshark.org. Obviously, it's a genuine websites. Couple of times what will happen? So it will come other websites as well. Example, you can see techspot.com. This is like a Trojan website. We should not trust these type of websites. You can see download.cnef.com. So not on this one, even for any software or any file, if you are going to download, always we have to download from the trusted and also genuine website or legitimate website. This already we discussed. It's a part of Nmap. Okay, so just you can click on download, and you can see here there are stable releases. So always we have to go to the stable releases, and also we can see old stable release. So forget about this one. Always you can go for the newer releases. So Windows installer 64-bit, Windows portable apps, Mac OS Intel source code. So always we have to go with the, if you are using MacBook, if you are using MacBook, then you can download for MacBook related software. If you are using Windows, then you can download Windows related. So just so in this scenario, I'm using 64-bit. So I have to download the first one. So just click on that one. It will take some time to download the Wireshark. So this is the way how it will download. After downloading this one, we have to install. Okay, so I already downloaded this file. So just I will go to the downloads, and you can see here. So download option is available. So just we have to click on this one. Then it will ask, so do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? No, I will click and install. So next, and finally finish. So that is the way how we have to install the Wireshark tool. This is the basic software how we have to install. Once you are installing, what we have to do, so we have to go and we have to identify whether that particular software whatever we install, so it is opening or not. So where we will go and we'll open the respect application. Anyone? Where we have to go and we have to open this particular application. So now I downloaded and installed. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So once you are downloaded, after installing this one, then what we have to do, just you can click on search button here and Wireshark. So then Wireshark open will open. So this is the Wireshark total tool. Okay. Now what we have to do. So now what I will do, I will do the live traffic analysis because we don't have the any packet capture. So if you want to do the packet capture, normally which tool we will use for packet capture? Packet
Mahesh,
capture. Packet capture. Packet capture from which tool we will export?
from firewall, sir.
Yes, firewall. So firewall or proxy we can export. After exporting, then we have to bring that file and we have to import. So file, we have import from hexadump. Are you able to see my screen? Yeah, file import from hexadump. First, we have to export the file from the whatever instant time it is happened. Example, in the SIM tool, you received one of the alert. You are not sure what is the exactly network traffic or packet capture analysis. You are not sure where is the issue. Okay. So most of the cases, if you are doing 1000 incidents also, not even one time you will use the Wireshark. But anyway, you should know about the basic knowledge on Wireshark. Okay, coming back. Example, one of the malware category of the incident it is happened, or maybe one of the DOS or DDoS attack is happened. So that alert will come to SIM tool. In the SIM tool, we will go and we will take those logs and whatever instant time it is happened. Okay. So that time we have to go to the firewall, or that time we have to go to the IDS IPS, and we have to export the packet capture file. How to export the packet capture file? Already this one I discussed the part of Fortinet firewall. I'm not sure how many people are remember that particular action water we have done part of Fortinet firewall. I will show you once again. Just you can go back to the firewall. So click on Fortinet demo. What is the username password?
Demo.
Yes, demo. Click on login button. Okay, login read only. Never. After going here, where we have to do the packet capture, anyone? Where we have to go and download the packet capture file?
Logs and reports.
Logs and reports. After that,
Logs.
which logs?
Forward traffic.
Forward traffic.
Forward traffic. Next one. So whatever alert you received in the SIM tool, that respect to source IP, destination IP, and all. అదే
Power issue.
Hey guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you. Sorry guys, power has gone. Apologies for that. So we have to go to the log and report tab, and we have to go to the forward traffic. So now, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so little bit delay will be there because I'm using mobile hotspot. So now whatever instant we receive in the SIM tool, that source IP, destination IP, you can filter out. How we have to do the filter out option? Just you can give the plus symbol here and search. So it will ask source IP, destination IP. IP we have to filter out. Source IP and destination IP. Just you can click on the plus symbol. So source, that particular IP address. Example, for suppose source IP is this one. Apply. And next one is a plus symbol. So next one is a destination. Destination. Yeah, destination. Example 2107961. Apply. So this from this source to this destination, traffic is going on. So that particular time period. So example maybe so 2022 November 19th, sorry, October 19th, around 5:45 instant is happened. So I will repeat once again. October 19th, 2022. October 19th, 2022. So instant is happened. So now which one we have to go and we have to download the packet capture file out of these four.
First one, sir.
Out of, I said 5:45. So you have to take the, so our timestamp from the SIM tool, then you have to come here. So whatever timestamp is there in the SIM tool, so same timestamp. When I say timestamp is nothing but time. So date, month, as well as the time, seconds as well. Okay. So example, this time instant is happened. We have to click on this one. After that, that means nobody has played with firewall tool.
Left hand side above arrow mark is there. Download
Yes,
symbol.
this is the one. That's correct. You have to download this file. So this is the way how we are exporting the file now. Okay. But unfortunately, whatever file it is format is different. We cannot export. This is not a proper, this is a demo tool only, not a practical tool. Traffic in different format. But if you are in the production environment and you are working for the dedicated company, that time we can export directly. I will export this one as well. Let's see. Okay. Now go back to our Wireshark tool. Now you can see here, there are multiple options are there. So on the right hand side also a lot of multiple options on the tabs wise. Even here also there are a lot of options, but we no need to worry about whatever traffic we're capturing. Directly you can click on file, import from. So hexadecimal file. And port analyzer traffic. Now, 1 second. Down we have submit option will be there. This is no need to change it. Ethernet, I think. By default, Ethernet will be there. But down, I'm not able to see. So unfortunately, down we have one more button will be there. Just we have to click on open. That's all. So we browsed right so far. Did you understand what did I say? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After exporting the file from the Fortinet firewall or maybe IDS IPS tool or maybe anti-DOS or anti-DDoS tool, so we have to export the file and we have to come back to Wireshark. After coming back to Wireshark, what we have to do? File and import option will be there. So just click on import button and you can see here browse. One of the new window will open and browse option will be there. Click on browse button and whatever. So right now my file is there. It's a part of downloads. So this is the one port analyzer traffic. So click on open after selecting that one. After selecting that one down, we have some, I think submit option will be there. Submit. Or maybe save or open, some of the option will be there, but it's not going up, unfortunately. One second, let me try. I tried control with the scroll as well as multiple options, but still I'm not able to. Okay, so after clicking on that one, so what will open? So it will open one more window. That's okay anyway. How to analyze now, I'll explain. How to analyze, I will explain now. So what I will do now, so whatever Wi-Fi traffic it is coming to my laptop, I will analyze that one. Okay, that's fine, right? It's called real-time traffic. So where we can analyze that real-time traffic? Where we can analyze real-time traffic, you can see here, couple of traffics are going on. So this is graphs, whatever it is showing as a, so these are called real-time traffic only. Okay. So example, Wi-Fi, VirtualBox. This VirtualBox I installed for the IBM QRadar installation and adapter loopback. This is also for one of the loopback address I installed for Nessus tool. So these are the couple of softwares are already running on. So I will click on Wi-Fi. So if I'm clicking on Wi-Fi, whatever traffic it's going on, whatever applications I am accessing, whatever internet applications I am accessing, everything it will capture. Just you can click on Wi-Fi. Now you can see here. So now we are capturing this one. So now what is the screen right now? You are able to see whatever Wi-Fi traffic is going in my laptop, everything it is capturing. Okay. So now how to stop this one? Just you can click on, you can see right, so red button is there, right? Just you can click on stop. Stopped it. So once again, it will restart, it will restart. But in practical way, so there is no need to monitor Wi-Fi traffic. Directly, we can take the file from Fortinet firewall, or maybe IDS IPS tool, or maybe from the anti-DOS or anti-DDoS tool, wherever you are doing the packet capture. That packet capture file, you have to export from the respective tool, and you have to come back to the Wireshark tool, and you have to import. Okay. So after importing, that option is not coming in my laptop, unfortunately. So that's why what I'm doing right now I'm doing Wi-Fi real-time traffic monitoring as well as capturing and analyzing. Understood or not? Any doubts so far? Any doubts so far? Shall I repeat once again? Okay. So what I'm trying to say here, file. Okay. So I will not save this one. So now file, I imported from Fortinet firewall. So sorry, exported from Fortinet firewall. I have to import. So browse and downloads that file is there and click on this one. But as I said here, my cursor is not moving up. So actually, if I'm clicking on save or maybe open button, it will open one more window and we can analyze the traffic. So it's not opening. That's why what I have done. So I'm doing right now my Wi-Fi packet capture. So you can see here Wi-Fi packet capture. Click on this one. So now packet, I mean, whatever applications are internet or backend services or software running on, entire thing it is capturing. So you can see different types of color code as well. Couple of things are blue, couple of things are purple, couple of things are pink, couple of things are red, and so on. So just you can stop. Okay. Now you have to analyze. Okay. Here, this is called filter button. So whatever right now search button is there, this is called filtering. Filtering based on what? Filtering based on time, filtering based on source, filtering based on destination, filtering based on HTTP, filtering based on DNS, filtering based on TCP, filtering based on UDP, or filtering based on ICMP in different ways. Okay, now, so here color coded, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's perfect. Coming back here, whatever red is coming, it is nothing but some issue is there. A red color, yellow color, I mean purple color. So different colors other than white color, everything it's like some issue is there. Now you can see here. So now according to this one, now we can conclude that either red color, most of the case red color. A red color or block color, it will represent some of the issue is there. And also purple color, it will represent TCP traffic. And also pink color, I think it will represent UDP traffic. Okay, you can see based on the color as well. This is UDP. This is not pink color, some other color. Okay. So now whatever red color is coming, that is nothing but some issue is there. Now, once you are exporting the packet from the firewall and you are importing in the, so our Wireshark tool, now you will come to know this is the way how we can analyze the traffic. So this is the way how that particular issue will occur. So it will show different color. Whatever different color it is showing, but nothing but some issue is there. Okay. Now you can move down as well as up also. So here also some of the issue is there. Okay. Here also different color. So here also some issue is there. Whatever red color, other colors are showing, issues will be there. So that is the meaning of that. Most of the cases, red color, we have to suspect as the issue is there. So this is the one. Okay. So meaning either errors, packet retransmission, packet is dropped, or TCP three-way handshake is not completed, or TCP flags are not enabled, or maybe ping command is not completed, and so on. Okay. Now, if I'm clicking on this particular red color one, automatically, so example, down it will appear one more window. So we'll go to another one. Please go and practice this one. Even whatever YouTube you are doing or whatever Facebook you are opening, everything we can capture. I will show you practically. So example, I will click on this one. So now I want to go and I want to analyze what is the issue for this particular source to destination. Okay, now you can see here. So this is called TCP IP layer. TCP IP layer. Example, transport layer. So transport layer, it's a part of TCP IP layer. Transmission control protocol, which layer? Transmission control protocol, which layer?
Transport layer.
Transport layer.
Transport layer. Internet protocol, which layer?
Network
Network
layer.
Network layer, sir.
Network layer. Ethernet.
Data link layer.
Data link layer. Yeah, I'm asking about IC. I mean TCP IP layer. Ethernet. Network interface. That's correct. Frame.
Data link.
Network interface. Yeah. So yes. So it will not show our overall, I mean, OSI layer approach. It will show only dedicated to TCP IP layer. What about application layer? Where is application layer? Where is application layer in this one?
Transport layer.
Transport layer is a transport layer. So this is not a transport layer. This is a TLS, transport layer security. This is not transport layer. This is TLS. It's nothing but application layer only. This is application layer. This is transport layer. So this is network layer. These two are network interface layer. Yes. Is it clear now? That's
Yes,
what I
sir.
said, right? So Wireshark tool will analyze only TCP IP layers only. So presentation is missing, session is missing. Why? Because presentation is session, it's a part of our application layer only. Okay. Now, wherever that yellow color is showing, that is nothing but some error is there. White color is nothing but there is no errors. That means in network interface layer, there is no errors. In the internet or network layer, there is no error. But on the transport layer, some of the issue is there. How we have to go and how we have to analyze now. In the TLS application layer also, there is no issue. When I'm clicking on this one, automatically here hexadecimal is showing. Encoding and decoding, we have discussed, right? What is the encoding and decoding? Converting one form of data into another form of data, which layer?
Presentation layer.
Yes. So all these part of hexadecimal packets. Okay. Hexadecimal, as well as if you want to, you can convert, you can decode into other formats as well, like a decimal or binary and so on. So this is basically, this is message. This is called payload. This is payload. Now coming back, which one we have to analyze now? Out of these 5, which one we have to analyze? So now when I'm clicking on this red color issue, it is showing a couple of layers, like that is nothing but TCP IP layer. Which one I have to analyze now? Where is the issue now?
Yellow color one.
Yellow color one.
Yellow color one, that's correct. Transmission control protocol. Now you can go and you can see what is the exact issue. Source port 443, destination port 3251, stream index 28, conversation completeness incomplete. You can see here incomplete. That means here source to destination. What is the source here? 13.232.67.199 and also 192, 168, 46, 84. So in between these two, so that conversation is not completed. Nothing but what? TCP three-way handshake is not completed. Now where is the issue here? Transport layer issue. Whether maybe backend server is dropped. Okay. Maybe so client itself it's not recommended properly or server is not responded properly. TCP three-way handshake is not completed. So this is what practically how to analyze the network traffic. So now you can go and you can see TCP segment length 314, sequence number 2. So segments and datagrams we discussed, right? Every segment has a sequence number or segment ID number along with acknowledgement number also. Now you can identify practically. So segmentation we discussed, right? So transport layer will support. So it's nothing but data format in the form of segments. Every segment has segment ID or sequence number along with support number and also acknowledgement number. So that is called sequence number here. sequence number, and also acknowledgement number, and flags. So what are the flags this particular traffic in between source and destination is using? Which flags it is using? Source to
Flag and
destination.
acknowledgement flag.
Yes, push flag and acknowledgement flag it is using. It is enabled. So when you are enabling the flags of TCP, whether it is 0 or 1.
1, sir.
1, that's correct. So nothing but this particular packet, whatever it is dropping from 192, 168, 446, 84 to 13, 232, 67, 199. So flags are enabled as a push and acknowledgement flag. So remaining 4 flags are how many? Remaining 4 flags are anyone? Remaining 4 flags are
0. Disabled, sir.
yeah. Remaining 4 flags are disabled. What are those 4 flags names?
Sync
Sync.
Sync plus acknowledgement.
Sync plus acknowledgement flag is there.
Right.
TCP flags here. So far we complete. We are able to see push and acknowledgement. Remaining how many flags are there? Total how many TCP flags we have?
Synchronization.
Total how many TCP flags we have?
4.
4. This is maybe third topic or fourth topic in our videos. Total 6 flags we have. So what are the 6 flags? It's entire question, guys. This one. How many TCP flags we have? Can you please explain?
Finish,
Finish.
reset,
Reset.
sync,
Yes.
sync, urgent, push. Sir,
Sorry, guys. Some network issues. Apologies for that. Okay. So now overall, after analyzing this one, what did you understand? So in between, okay, so source and destination packet is not reached. It is dropped somewhere. TCP three-way handshake is not completed. Now we have to go and we have to see. So what is the issue here? Or maybe we have to reconfigure the issue. So that is the way how we have to do the troubleshooting part now. Okay. So now coming back here, we can filter out also. So example, one of the entire question, guys, it's very, very important. How can you filter out IP address in Wireshark? It's entire question. How can you filter out IP address in Wireshark? It's entire question. Okay. So what is the command we have to give? IP dot ADDR equal to okay, respect to IP address. Example 192.168.46.84. So if the respect to IP address is existing, then it will come as a green color. Otherwise, it will come as a red color on the top search button. So this is called search field. It's like writing a query. So what is the command we have to give? IP.addr address equal to x.x.x.x. This is what you have to say in the interview. So what is the interview question? In Wireshark, how can you filter? So based on IP address, or how can you filter out IP address? So what is the command we have to give? IP.addr, nothing but address equal to x.x.x.x. That's what you have to say the answer. Okay. So now click on here, enter button, or click on this one. Now whatever traffic is going in between, only 190 to 160, 46, 84 to the respective destination it will appear. Okay. You can see here all the 192, 168, it is repeating, that's why it's showing everything. So 192, 168, 46, 84. So this is the traffic. So this is the way how we have to identify. Please note this particular point. Okay. This is one of the interview question. And also how they will ask, how can you filter out HTTP traffic? Anyone? How can you filter out HTTP traffic? What do you mean HTTP? HTTP traffic.
Same command we can use, sir, instead of IP HTTP.
Yeah, what is HTTP first of all? What is the
IP
traffic of HTTP? Application traffic.
Yes, sir, application.
Application traffic, nothing but application layer traffic. We have to give HTTP here. It will appear automatically when you're typing automatically it will appear. So click on HTTP. Now click on here. So right hand side you can see arrow mark here. Click on arrow mark. So only HTTP related traffic it will appear. Okay. So these two are HTTP traffic. One is Android client, Google. So it's my browser. Second, connection established. Connection established meaning here connection is initiated. In the similar way, we can type DNS also. So DNS. So just you can enter DNS and click on DNS here. So click on next button. So DNS related traffic it will appear. Whatever DNS is in my laptop I am accessing, it will appear. Example, you can see here A. What is my A here? What is my A here? Otherwise, you can. If I am clicking on this one, it is coming domain name system. Domain name system or DNS is a part of which layer?
Application.
DNS application layer. That's perfect. So now you can see here flags standard query and answers 0, 0, 0, everything. And here on the top, you can see here, are able to see A. Are able to see A here?
Yes, sir.
What is A here? Anyone?
Application layer on, sir.
IP4 to DNS.
Perfect. Address, nothing but this is a DNS record, A record.
Okay.
What is 4A?
6 to DNS.
4A record. Yeah, 4A record. That's correct. Okay, so this is the way how we have to analyze. So not only this one, even we can filter out some other traffic also. Okay, SMTP or maybe example, next one SSL or maybe TLS. So in such a way, we can define everything. So this is TLS traffic, TLS 1.2. You can see protocol TLS 1.2 everywhere. This is called filtering part. But we will not do analysis of all this. Whatever red color is there, that one only we will analyze. Why? Because those red color traffics are packet is a retransmission, packet is a dropped, or maybe packet is not sent, or maybe communication is not established, or TCP three-way handshake is not established between these two, or DNS resolution is not happened. Don't think that only in transport layer issues will come. So it will come in the application layer, it will come in the transport layer, it will come in the network layer, it will come in the network interface layer as well. So example we discussed, how can you integrate firewall logs to SIM tool? How can you integrate firewall logs to SIM tool?
syslog method.
Syslog method. In case firewall logs are not reflecting in the SIM tool, what will you do?
Packet capture in the Wireshark.
Yes, sir.
What is the first option?
Raising the ticket, no, sir, to the client.
Raising the ticket, are you sure?
Verifying the configurations.
Verifying the configuration. What type of configuration you will verify?
Port number, protocol, format.
Okay, port number, protocol, format. Next one, IP address, host name of the SIM tool, all these. So second option, option 2.
You have to take the packet capture file in between the
Yes.
firewall.
Yeah, packet
And
capture, where you will go and you will take now. In this scenario, SIM looks, firewall logs are not reflecting in the SIM tool. So where will you go and you will take the packet capture file?
From firewalls.
Firewall. In the firewall, where will you go?
Logs and reports.
Logs and reports. What you will filter out? Source IP, destination IP. What is source? Firewall. What is destination? SIM tool. That's correct. Now you can export the packet capture file and you can come back to the Wireshark tool. Now you can analyze where is the issue and you have to fix that particular issue. So in case it is not in your hands, then you can go and you can contact network team. Connectivity related will be handled by network team. Routing and switching. Routing and switching, who will handle?
Network team.
Network team. In case the DNS record is not happening proper, DNS resolution is not happening, who will do?
Network teams.
DNS resolution. DNS resolution.
Server team.
Network admin team or else DNS team directly. Network admin team most of the case, otherwise Windows team or maybe system admin team. Okay. So this is the way how we have to analyze the packet capture. So overall, what you have to understood from this one. So main thing is, so for packet capture, how to analyze. Second one is a couple of queries. So they will ask like, how can you filter out DNS traffic in the, so I mean Wireshark tool? How can you filter out IP address? How can you filter out SMTP? How can you filter out HTTP traffic and so on? Example, maybe I want to practically something else. Can you give any blocked website? Can you give any blocked website? Normally, which app you will go and you will watch online videos, recent movies? Recent movies, which website will follow to download?
Movie rules. Movie rules.
iBomma.
iBomma.
iBomma. Correct.
Okay, can you spell it?
I for India.
Okay.
BOMME.
Okay, that's fine. So let's go and see whether, yeah, my company, it is completely rejected. You can see, sorry, you don't have permission to visit this site. Now we can go and we can see this topic is coming in the our packet capture tool or not. Okay. Shall we go and shall we see now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what is the so what I have done now? So I accessed one of the application. What is the application name? So HTTP. So now you can go and you can see, in case if it is not coming as a HTTP, then you have to go with the other options. So HTTP, so only two things are coming. You can go on down, you can see. So only these two. So HTTP, it is not showing as. So let's go and see with the DNS. So sorry, I have to do the packet capture. Sorry, I forgot. Because this is a live traffic. I did not do the live traffic capture. So this previous one, right? So I have to stop this one. So now we will do the packet capture.
So need to download some packet from Cyber.
You can see packets are sending 401, 521, 653, 729. Are able to see down. Packets are going on. Here also you can see it's increasing. Nothing but packet is capturing from my system. So packets are increasing.
So we need to import the packets from firewall. Right?
Yes, but this scenario I don't have firewall, no. So just I'm showing in my Wi-Fi traffic, real-time traffic. But you are right. So practically you have to do that. You have to export from firewall and you have to import. So stop is this button, red button. You have to stop. So I will do one thing. This is not captured. So I will reopen once again. So now I will open the traffic. So now what I will do? Now I will go and I will revisit this site. So now it's blocked my company. Okay, now go and see. So I will stop the packet capture. Stopping is nothing but red color. Just you can stop. And just you can enter DNS. So click on here arrow button. So now whatever I accessed, everything it will appear. Whatever I'm doing in my background, everything it will appear. This is my live traffic basically. This is called live traffic. So whatever applications I've opened, example, Gmail, My Drive, cybersecurity material, even what is this? Wireshark website. So everything we can see, including iBomma as well. So now come down. You can see here. Are able to see www.ibomma.1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the way. How do we have to do this? Is live capture basically. So we are using Akamai. It's a web application firewall. Zscaler is a proxy we are using in my organization. So if I'm clicking on this one now, so I can see what is this particular activity. Okay. So even it will come one more thing because it has to blocked activity is not showing. I will once again quit, and what I will do, I will open the website once again, Wireshark. First, I will open the traffic now. So it will capture now. So what I will do now, I will go and I will revisit the website. It is accepted. Now it is accepted because regularly I'm accessing, but initially it is not accepted. Okay. So now what is Akamai is thinking? Akamai is thinking behavioral pattern. We discussed, right? Behavioral pattern. So regularly I am visiting this website. That means maybe user has some other purpose is there. That's why he's visiting regularly. But initially when I accessed, it is showing base and signature. Okay, it is generate, it will now generate the alert notification as well. Okay, now I'm able to access this one. That's why it is not showing any error. Okay, understood or not? It is opened, all the website is open now. Now go back to our maybe we'll go with another website, iCar. iCar website, what is the importance of iCar website? iCar website importance.
Malware analysis.
Files.
Yes. So let me go and see. Yeah. Now I'll download one of the file. Nothing, what I'm doing, just I'm trying to do downloading of couple of things. I want to show that particular traffic in the network traffic analyzer tool Wireshark. So all these are virus files. Shall I download one file? Shall I download one file?
Okay.
If my system will get compromised, you are responsible. I'm trying. Okay, just kidding, guys. So it is blocked. Understood, right? Now I have to go and I have to see iCar is appearing in the real-time traffic using, okay, so network traffic analyzer tool of Wireshark or not. Go back. So now I will stop the capture, maybe wait for 1 or 2 seconds. Because the traffic has to come here, right? So I will stop now. Okay, perfect. Now I can go and I can do DNS filtering. So then I'll do filtering here. So go and see, is there anywhere iCar website is blocked the activity? It will come directly as a red color.
No, sir, it haven't blocked.
Where is that?
Up in the app, it is in the. It is in the top, sir.
Top.
I mean, in the middle of it, I have saying.
So YouTube, I opened a YouTube in another window. Yeah, this is the one. Initially, iCar is, see, normal iCar.org is okay. So normal i.org, I'm able to open, right? Normal one is fine. So example, EACR, this is opening. This is common. This is not a malware file. Understood? This is not normal one. That's it. That is what this topic. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this one, whatever it is a blocked one, this one is blocking by firewall. This blocking by firewall. URL itself, it is a blocked. This is the way how we can normally we will see. So firewall policy we have to configure after creating a firewall policy. When the user is clicked, what is this one? Is this portal is called as anyone? This portal is called as which one? Which programming language they will use? HTML or JavaScript? Captive portal. This is called captive
HTML.
portal. Whatever this window is wrapping, this is called captive portal. Entire question. What is captive portal in I mean firewall? So captive portal will represent the status of the respective website, whatever end user is accessed, whether it is allowed activity, whether it's a blocked activity. Okay. So now whatever packet capture it is appearing is .icar.org only. So this icar.org download option is there, right? That is not coming as a traffic. This is blocking by our Akamai firewall itself. And also we are using a Zscaler proxy. Those two, it is blocking automatically. Okay. So this is the way how we can go and we can download. Just we can go and we can see whether under HTTP any other traffic is there. Somewhere red color gone. So this is previous one only, I think. Yeah, incomplete data. TCP connection. Same thing, packet is retransmissioning every time. So continuously from same IP, these particular errors are coming. That is called packet retransmissioning. Okay, you can see here from same IP continuously this packet is retransmissioning. Continuously trying to access. So it is trying to come to TCP three-way handshake. So from same, once again, retransmission. So this is the way how we have to analyze, but don't analyze normal, I mean, real-time traffic. So what you have to do, you understood, right? Whenever any incident is happened, that instant is coming in SIM tool, and whatever timestamp it is coming, and also whatever source IP, destination IP. You can gather these three things. Then you can go to firewall or maybe proxy or maybe IDS IPS, wherever packet capturing they are storing. So go to those tools and do the packet capture and export the packet capture file or PCAP. PCAP means packet capture. Export the file. Then you can come back to the Wireshark tool, import the file and analyze what is the issue. So this is overall how to analyze and what to do in the network traffic analyzer. So do you have any questions, guys?
Sir, once
Which-
can you try
Yes.
that thing, sir?
Which one?
Importing from
Yeah.
firewall by clicking on open.
Yeah, but unfortunately, open is not coming. That's why. Can you share your screen possible? Did you install?
I installed, sir.
Okay, so can you share your screen possible?
Okay, sir.
So you need maybe permission, I think. One
Yes,
second. Karishma, right?
Yes, sir.
Make as a co-host. Yes, I have done. Okay. Did you download the file? Karishma?
Yes, sir. Again, I am downloading, sir.
Okay. Meeting lo unnanu ani cheppu.
Sir, here we have to type source.
No, I'm not able to see your screen. I can see only your Wireshark screen sharing tool. I think you shared only one window, not entire computer.
Network problem, sir.
Okay. Okay, what you can do, Karishma, just you can, okay, that's perfect. Now I am able to see, okay.
Okay, sir. Now,
No, just you can give into mark, click on into mark,
I see.
plus symbol, plus, yes, source, click on source down, source, yeah. Select first one itself. Yes. Apply. Okay, now yes, click on that one. Okay, destination. Yeah. Select any one thing. First one is fine. Yeah. So apply. Okay, now download. Okay, click on any of them. Yeah. So download.
Yes, sir. It was downloaded.
Okay, now you can go back to Wireshark.
Yes, sir. File. Import. No packet captured. It was showing, sir.
No, I'm not able to see your screen. So yeah, that's what I said. It's a demo tool. So basically, traffic will not be available. Okay, browse. Yeah. So downloads. Yeah, first one. Open.
Here import it is that, sir.
Yeah. Yes, correct. Import. Yes. You stopped your share screen. Yeah, just you can, why you are putting that IP address on the search button, just you can remove.
Yes, sir.
Okay, once again, can you import? Yes. File format also very important. That's what I said. File format also. Import. Yeah, so packet, actually that packet doesn't contain any traffic related to hexadecimal. So that's why it is not showing anything, but don't worry. But you know what is the process, correct? In practically, you are doing in the production environment, you are able to see the traffic here. So just you can type ip.add, IP
IP.
ip.add, addr,
Yes, sir.
yeah, equal to,
Yes, sir.
yeah, just this is the way how normal in the interview they will ask. How can you filter out the IP traffic in the Wireshark tool? This is one of the interview question. This command you have to remember. Understood, right?
Yes, sir.
In the similar way, HTTP traffic, DNS traffic, TCP traffic, UDP traffic, ICMP traffic, and so on. Even DNS record. So many comments we can give. So if you want to get more details, just you can go to help and do the documentation part, read the documentation. But coming back to Karishma, for this topic, why we are not able to analyze and it's not showing, that is demo tool only. It doesn't contain all the traffic. That's why. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So maybe we can stop for today. So we will continue tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, I will take this session tomorrow 20, right? Yeah. Tomorrow morning, I will take this session around 8:15, 8:15. So tomorrow morning, freshly, we can start interview questions. Is that be fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
please go through right now. Karishma, whatever she has done, really appreciate for that one. Everybody, you can go and you can try to do all these. Even you can analyze your own traffic as well. You can, example, you can open YouTube or you can open one of the movie. Okay, then you can analyze the traffic also. That's fine. Or you can open Facebook. You can analyze. You can open Twitter. You can analyze whether those traffic is coming or not. Lively traffic, real-time traffic. So now we are able to understand what is the difference between traffic and events. Yeah, before going to one thing, I want to say something to you. So give me 1 second. So basically, what are we discussed so far? Can anyone say what is the IP header architecture? IP header architecture? IP packet otherwise. IP packet. Can anyone say what is IP packet architecture format?
IP header and payload.
IP header and payload, that's correct. So coming to here, IP packet when are going, that is in simple format. Basically, so practical format is this one, guys. So this is the one. So TCP IP packet contains, you can see IP packet 32-bit. Okay, version. So what type of version of the IP packet, whether it is a version 4 or version 6, length of the packet, type of service, total length, identification, flags. What are the flags here? So fragment and offset, time to live, TTL. Okay, protocol, header checksum, source address, destination address, data. And source port, destination port, sequence number, acknowledgement number. So basically this is IP packet or TCP packet. This is called TCP packet. So in short, IP packet, in short, we will say IP header and payload. That means here, so up to here, options, up to options, everything is like a IP header, payload is like a data. This is actual IP packet. Understood now? Same thing we are analyzing in TCP packet as well. I mean, so in Wireshark also, everything you will see. So version, length, type of service, total length, identification flags, fragment offset, all these we will see. This is actual traffic analyzer. This packet we will see. So where we can see that one? So we can see it's a part of transmission control protocol or otherwise IP protocol. So header checksum, you can see now, compare with that, I mean, theoretical water we discussed practically. So example version. So go back to here, version. Are you able to compare or not? So simultaneously I'm opening the TCP packet, I mean TCP practical packet capture along with our architecture diagram also. Version. So next one is header length. Okay, so service field, total length, identification. You can see the same thing. Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is the way how we have to compare. When you're analyzing the TCP IP, I mean, when you're analyzing network traffic, that doesn't mean that, okay, some issue is there. You have to compare always theoretical with the practical. Then only you are able to get the logic or knowledge. If you're by-hatting, it will not work out. Okay, so open this tool and also go with this particular packet as well. This is a practical packet, this entire packet architecture. If you are going for network engineer vacancy, they will ask all these. Can you give the brief explanation about IP packet architecture diagram? That means everything we have to remember. We are a security team. We no need to go to that much in depth. That's why I said IP packet simple format is IP header and payload. IP header contains the source address and destination address. Payload contains the message or data. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when you're doing something, you can analyze theoretical as well. Compare with the theoretical also. Okay. So please go and do practice this one. And I'm a little bit disappointed because you are not saying so many answers in the Fortinet firewall. So you don't know where is the, I mean, where you will go and you will monitor the traffic. What is forward traffic? So what is security profiles and deep packet inspection, policies configuration, what is implicitly deny, top to bottom approach. Okay. If are thorough in all these fields, then only will clear the interview. So you have to play with all these tools as well. Okay. Please go and play with all these tools. So that's all for today, guys. Do you have any questions?
Sir, please upload those recording sessions yesterday and today.
Yes, I will do that. Yeah.
Thanks.
Any other? Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We'll continue tomorrow morning, 8:15. Good night.
Okay, sir. Good night.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
night, sir.
Thank you,
Thanks.
sir.
Bye.
Good night.